I don't know what it is that you've done to me. I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Now that you're dreaming.
Hi everyone! Welcome to JBG Food Trips YouTube channel. For today's episode, we'll be making a homemade red sauce cheesy pizza. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy watching till the end! Disclaimer: I am just doing the voiceover. This man, who is my husband, is the one behind all the delicious dishes that we feature in this channel, just to clear things out. Let's begin by making our pizza dough. You'll need 1 cup of warm water, not hot. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast, add 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then stir those together to dissolve. Then set aside for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a mixing bowl, fill it with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then pour the yeast over the flour. Then mix until the wet and dry ingredients are well combined. Knead the dough together by hand for about 2 minutes or until it is well blended. Just like this. Then cover the dough tightly with plastic wrap, then let it rise when it doubles in size. It can rise faster in warm area, but not too much, since it will kill the yeast. Once the dough has doubled in size, sprinkle generous amount of flour on your worktop, then put the dough on it. Lightly flour and turn the dough so it will not stick on your hand. Then divide it equally in half. Just like this. Fold each dough 8 times by wrapping your hands into the dough and gently fold the edges into the center. Then repeat it until you fold it 8 times. With the last fold, seal the edges at the bottom and form a ball of dough. Then place it with the seam side down. Now you have your 2 pieces of dough. Then transfer each piece of dough to a lightly oiled bowl. It will aid the dough to release easier later. Just like this. Then cover it tightly with a plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 24 hours and up to 5 days. After 24 hours, we now have our dough. Then transfer the room temperature dough onto a well-floured working surface. Just like this. Start by gently pushing in the center of the dough with your fingertips. Then lift the dough. To form the pizza crust, roll the dough over your knuckles, working around in circle. Just like this. This segment is done by a professional baker only. Oops, just kidding! Whoa! Pour some flour over the pan. Then, add some mozzarella cheese at the side. Then fold. Just like this. Our pizza crust is formed. We can now put the toppings. Pour some red sauce. Then spread it evenly. Add some mushroom pasta sauce and some ground chicken. Some green chilies. Then sprinkle generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Now it's ready. Then transfer it to the broiler. Heat at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. When it's done, let it cool before serving. Our homemade red sauce cheesy pizza. Now let's slice the pizza. The cheese is melty and the crust is crisp. So good! Of course, the cheese pool. Yum! Thanks for watching mga kajabagab! Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye!